Hello everyone, today I will introduce you rolling screen function. The rolling screen function is mainly used for data in the same location, so the new project is at least 2 or more data. First click on rolling screen in the menu bar under the operations group of the display module. There are 2 main point cloud file lists in the window. The current file indicates that the files in it will be displayed normally, while the point cloud files in the rolling screen file will be covered by the rolling screen area and will only be displayed in the non-rolling screen area. After selecting a point cloud, click to move the point cloud file from the current file to the rolling screen file, and click All to move all the point cloud files to the rolling screen file. Click to move the selected point cloud file from the rolling screen file to the current file, and click All to move all point cloud files to the current file. Then click OK to enter the curtain state. Hold down the left mouse button and Shift key, drag the left mouse button in the 3D viewport, the direction of dragging that is the direction of the growth of the curtain area. Release the left button from the edge of the viewport to the position of the mouse pointer to form the curtain area. This video for rolling screen on the explanation here. Thank you for watching.